Today I'm going to be unboxing and testing out this smartwatch, but first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. Inside the box, you get the smartwatch itself, the magnetic charging cable, and an extra interchangeable band with a metallic finish. This is a stainless steel mesh strap with a magnetic clasp. It's slim, lightweight, and fully adjustable. Everything included feels straightforward and easy to set up. So next, I'm going to go ahead and show you the watch up close. The build feels solid. The band has plenty of adjustment holes for different wrist sizes, and the 1.85-inch HD display really pops up once you power it on. The setup is quite simple. Just power it on, select your language, download the Fit Cloud Pro app, create a quick profile, and pair the watch. Once paired, you can start exploring the different menus and apps right away. You get access to 120 plus sports mode, heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, step counts, calorie burn, and notifications from your favorite apps. If you're active, you'll appreciate that you can customize which workouts you want available on the watch through the app. One thing I noticed at first, the screen was set to dim after 5 seconds, but that's an easy fix. I bumped it up to 30 seconds in the setting, which makes it way more practical during workouts or while navigating menus. You can also personalize the look. There are over 300 watch faces available, or you can upload your own photo. Switching them out is quick, and the display stays bright and easy to read indoors and outside. Strapping it on is comfortable and simple. The silicone band feels lightweight, and because there are so many holes, it's easy to get the right fit, whether you have a small wrist or a larger wrist. I went ahead and tested it out. I took this watch to the gym. When I took it to the gym, I realized my workout wasn't on the preset list, but through the app, you can add different training types from a pretty large library. Once I selected my workout, the tracking worked well. Just be mindful not to press the side button mid-set, or it can pause the session. Other than that, it kept up with my movements and gave me accurate tracking. And of course, you can answer calls right from your wrist with surprisingly clear audio. Notifications from text, social apps, and emails show up instantly once you have the app running in the background. Overall, it's a stylish smartwatch, impressive battery life, up to 30 days on a single charge, plus customizable features that make it useful for everyday wear and workouts alike. So if you've been looking for a new smartwatch that is stylish, it can track your workouts, your notifications, then I would highly recommend you check this one out. I'll go ahead and leave it linked down below.